Many people who know about molds have heard of DME and HASCO. But do you know what DME and HASCO refer to respectively? DME is a mold standardization complaint in US. A standard system is widely used in plastic molds and custom mold manufacturing. DME standards include a series of mold parts size, design specifications, material specifications, and processing technology, and other aspects of the standard. These standards are designed to improve the consistency and interchangeability of mold manufacturing. HASCO is an international mold standardization company headquartered in Germany and is one of the global suppliers of mold components. HASCO standards cover all aspects of plastic and metal mold manufacturing, including standardization of dimensions, materials, design specifications, and components of molding. The use of HASCO standards helps to improve the interchangeability and manufacturing efficiency of molds. They serve to provide the mold manufacturing with consistent, standardized components and fittings to facilitate mold design and manufacturing.